Hey everyone, so we're doing another investing update. So today is Friday, therefore the stock market closed this afternoon today and won't be open again until Monday. And so, at least I'm pretty sure it's Monday. I think it's limited hours due to New Year's Eve on Monday. But anyway, we'll look at how my stocks and my Robinhood portfolio fared out this week. And so you can see that last week my stocks ended at 43.03. And this week they ended 43.92, and so it went up this week, which is good to see. My buying power went up, so my stocks went up by 89.48, which was calculated here. So that's the difference between these 2 weeks. And my buying power went up by $1.36, which was shown here, and that all came from dividends. And so I was paid 3 dividends, and then they paid me $1.36 total, so that goes into my buying power, and I'm saving up to buy another stock. I'm not sure what stock I'm going to buy yet. And then therefore, the total amount of money, subtract the buying power, gives me my value in stocks. So $1.36, remember that number. So we go over to dividends. I got 3 dividends this week, so the 2 rows in green are from last week's video and last week's dividends. I received 3 dividends this week. From iShares, U.S. Preferred Stock ETF, Union Pacific Corporation, which is like the railroad, and Wisdom Tree U.S. High Dividend Fund. So if we look at the $1.36 over here, and that was the change in my buying power, you can see that it came from these 3 dividends combined equals $1.36. And then to calculate the yield, and so stock ticker PFF paid me 26 cents. They pay a dividend 12 times a year, so monthly. And so if we have the equation set up from the previous week, I can just drag this down. That will get me the yearly amount of money I'll get from dividends. Here's the purchase price that I bought these stocks or ETFs at. And we take the dividends per year divided by the purchase price of the stock, not the current price, but the purchase price of the stock to get the current yield. So you can see here 8%, that's a really, really high yield, but I made a note here, it's dynamic monthly yield, which means that not every week or every month I'll get the 26-cent dividend, and so it's going to be variable along with the DHS ETF down here too. It won't always pay 30 cents a month, it's pretty dynamic. This Union Pacific Railroad, it is pretty regular that it will pay the 80-cent dividend, so I don't have that note here. But aside from that, 8%, 3.5%, 5% yields are really, really great to see. And then the last thing I wanted to point out, when I first bought Union Pacific, I was getting a 2.5% yield. And so back when I first bought this stock, I was getting 55 cents per dividend. And so you can see now I'm getting 80 cents per dividend. So I just bought the stock and hold it, and they're increasing the dividend payment. So again, when I first bought Union Pacific, I was getting a 2.52% dividend yield, and now I'm getting a 3.66% dividend yield. So that's pretty cool to see. So this has been my stock update and dividend update for this week, and thanks for watching.